Imagine having the power to grow your own fresh, healthy food without the hassle of weeding, tilling, and composting. Well, welcome to the future of sustainable living with our easy and affordable off-grid hydroponics course. Hey, I'm Mike, and I've been involved in hydroponics for over 10 years. Now, it started off like traditional hydroponics with all the pumps and filters and aeration and meters and all kinds of stuff like that. Now, hydroponics is cool because it makes gardening easy. One thing is you can grow a lot of plants in little space. And like we mentioned before, there's no weeding, tilling, composting because you're just growing in nutrient solution. On top of that, hydroponics uses only about 1/10 of the water that a traditional garden uses. Now, I've designed my course to make hydroponics easy and accessible for everyone. Now, in the past, hydroponics was really expensive to start and there was a huge learning curve. In addition to that, the internet just started and everyone started throwing out videos on YouTube in no particular order. Most people would get information overload with all of the stuff they had to do and buy, and a lot of them would get overwhelmed and quit before they even started. And a lot of the ones that did get started found out that there was a lot of time, effort, and money to grow some of their own veggies. I myself went down that same rabbit hole. And I thought to myself, I have to find something easier and more affordable. So in this course, you'll learn how to set up your hydroponics affordably, using minimal resources. And no more weeding, tilling, or dealing with compost. Just easy, productive, efficient gardening. Now, thanks to the information in this course, I've transformed my backyard into a flourishing garden, something we call the continuous harvest system. And you'll learn about that in the course. And we've done it without breaking the bank. It's been incredibly easy and very rewarding. And the great thing about hydroponics is I've done it in my backyard, but you can also do this indoors. Some people have even done it in their basement, a spare bedroom, or even a closet. Now, we cover everything from sourcing affordable materials to setting up your systems and maintaining them with ease. Now, whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, or like me, a fellow gardener, this course is built to ensure your success. I keep it simple with the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s. We don't teach kids in elementary school calculus, right? We start them with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then they're on to algebra, geometry, trig, etc. There's a process. You know, when people first hear about hydroponics, they want to jump in the deep end. And that's when a lot of people get overwhelmed, frustrated, and quit. And I don't want that to happen to you. I teach people the basics. It's the foundation. It's how to start. And after that, you can always scale up. But in the beginning, you really have to get these basic principles down. So you'll get access to step-by-step tutorials, cost-saving tips, comprehensive guides, Q&A sessions, and even a community of like-minded people that get together and help each other out. All in all, that's more than enough to get you started on your journey. Now, as a bonus, you'll get lifetime access. Even if you scale up and you have some questions, you can always come back to refresh your memory. So join us today and start your journey to an easy, low maintenance, and affordable gardening experience. Let's grow a greener future together and keep on growing. So enroll now in Keep On Growing's easy and affordable off-grid hydroponics course. Revolutionize your gardening experience and become a little more self-sufficient. See you in there.